In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable or enable mature content on your Threads account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to turn on or off this option, open your Threads app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head to your profile down below and then go to these two lines here. From here, you should see this option for content preferences. If you tap on it, now we have this option for sensitive content. Because mature content is categorized or ranked as sensitive content, choose this option. And here you can see it is set to standard, which means you might see some sensitive content. If you wish to see more, you can now turn to more here. And you're told you might see more content about topics more people want to see. And you have been given examples here. Tap on confirm to make this change. However, if you want to see less of this, then go to less option, and then you're told you might see less content about topics that are sensitive. Tap on confirm again, and from now henceforth, mature content will be restricted on your account. So that's how you can disable or enable mature content on your Threads account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.